Sorry guys about that. The card filled up, I had no idea. I'll finish the build. So here's how it turned out. And gets it filled up. But I'm done. I was on a roll. That's why I didn't even look at the camera. I just kept on going. Alright. Well, I didn't do a fantastic wiring job on the case. It's just good enough where nothing's going to move and it has nice airflow. Which it does. I only have 2 stray Moexes for the top of the case is 280mm fans. That kind of sucks at the radio, but there is a 120 up front. And there is no other location where I could buy stock mount any other fans. I mean, sure, I could go drill and I got a shitload of holes in the top of the case if I wanted to mount fans, but I don't know if that's going to be necessary. The case seems to have nice airflow the way it was designed in the first place. And the 120 is right over the hard drive cage. Right now I got a 250 as a primary hard drive and 2 terabyte hard drives from Western Digital. These are the Black Edition 32 meg. Fast as hell. I'll tell you, they're fast. Let me take the camera off the stand. Maybe. I gotta show you this element, it looks cool. You know, I almost got the entire motherboard mounted before I completely forgot I still had the stock fan on there. So, that took about 20 minutes to hook up because I had to take all the heatsink off, clean everything off, and find the thermal paste and get all that done. But everything's pretty sloppy job, but what are you gonna do? None of the cables are sheathed, so I can't read this on. There's too much light. Alright. I'm going to do some finishing up tweaks to it. Finish the cabling. Actually, the only other thing I need to do is just hook up my little keyboard modification thingamabob, and that's it. No more IDE cables in this case. I have enough USB where I don't think I'm going to be needing. I'm going to hook it now. I'll leave it out for now. Oh yeah, can't forget I got to put back in the retention bracket. Even though I don't really have any expansion cards, this does add support to the case because it is made out of aluminum and is a little bit flexible. So I have to put this back on. Luckily I remembered that. The case would have been bending. Okay. That's good. Take some pictures now. It is done. Let's go open it up. Okay. Wrong way. There's a retard. Yeah. Look at this shit. Momentary power switch. I don't care about the reset, but I'm not going to use it. But it looks cool. Nice. That thing was beefy. Bigger than I thought. Alright. Later.